Now we've completed building a custom slider, and you may be thinking, do I have to create a slider every time I need it? Of course not. Pinegrow is here to help you. You can reuse these same interactions within the same project, but also in different projects. To reuse the interactions, the layout of the slider has to be the same. You can just copy and paste the same layout or make it into a component. It's that easy. So to reuse the slider in the same project, we can simply add Apply to Many whenever the interactions are applied. This is very helpful since we only have to edit interactions on one slide. Let's do this. First, duplicate this slider and remove all the interactions from it. On the tree panel, select PGIA Slider, and then press right-click and select Duplicate. You can also do this by pressing Control-D on Windows or Command-D on a Mac. Now remove all the interactions from all the elements on the second slider, and you should see that the second slider is just a basic layout without interactions. So let's work on the first slider and add Apply to Many on all the elements where interactions are applied. First, select the PGIA slider block on the tree panel. Go to the Actions list, click on Apply to Many. For Target, click on Edit Selector. In the pop-up field, enter $.pgia-slider and press OK. Now select the PGIA Slides container block on the tree panel. Go to the Actions list, click on Apply to Many. For Target, click on Edit Selector. In the pop-up field, enter $.pgia-slides-container and press OK. Now go to the PGIA slide block on the tree panel, and this may already have Apply to Many interactions, so we just have to edit it. Go to the Interactions panel, go to the Apply to Many settings. For Target, click on Edit Selector. On the pop-up field, replace the current selector with $.pgia-slide and press OK. Similarly, select the PGIA control block. We've already assigned Apply to Many, and the selector value is $.pgia-control. Finally, for the PGIA pagination items, select it on the tree panel, go to the Actions list and click on Apply to Many. For Target, click on Edit Selector. And in the pop-up field, enter $.pgia-pagination-item and press OK. Now we've applied Apply to Many to all the blocks with interactions. The $sign in front of the class name means that we will target any elements on the page with that class name. Now save the project and refresh the page. The second slider will function just like the first one. Click on the control links and the pagination items and it will work. This way you can have as many sliders as you need.